Hi guys, and welcome to this breakdown of the song Lost in the Woods. So the song begins in, well, it modulates a few times, so the song begins in the key of A flat. The chords are displayed on the video. It goes to a C sharp. Then the song begins, so the song will begin on A flat, then it will go to an E flat over a G. That's as simple as it gets. So it's an E flat chord inverted to your one chord, your home chord, which is your A flat. That's optional. From the A flat goes to the F minor. Then 2-5-1 turn around. So B flat, E flat, sus, E sus. So it resolves, but then there's a walk up. I call it a 6-7 walk up because the 6th of your scale, the 7th degree of your scale. In this case, we're playing F minor to an E flat inverted, right? Same thing repeats. Then this time goes to F, B flat chord, A minor to B flat chord, C sharp, B flat, E flat, and then it changes, modulates again. Now B. Again, this is just a B with the G in the bass, G sharp in the bass, C sharp minor, F, F, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. Yeah, hopefully that helped. I'll see you guys in another video. Let me know below what you'd like to see me do next. Thank you. Bye.